Hi, I'm Julie, and this is a lesson on Heart of Gold by Neil Young. We're going to go through a bunch of different things, like how to play the intro. It goes something like this. We'll also talk about what to do during the harmonica parts and go through the verses and the chorus as well. The verses will go something like this. It's a fun song to play, so grab your guitar. There's music in the link below. At the end of this video, we'll do a play-along version, and I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe. Let's get started. So this song has an intro, some verses, and what I'm going to call a chorus. So we'll go through all of those in order, and then at the end, we'll do a playthrough of the whole song. So let's start out with the intro. Our intro has an E minor 7 chord. Our 7th is right here with our baby finger. It's playing the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And you're strumming all the strings for that. Then we have a D chord where we strum from the 4th string down and then back to an E minor chord that are all the strings. So how do we play this? We start out with our 6th string and play it open. So 1 and, then we're gonna go and do a down strum 6 times. So you're gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Go to your D chord and play it twice. And back to an E minor chord. Like that. Let's do it again. 2 and 3 and 4 and. This little riff. So we're going to play our 5th string open, then we're going to hammer on to our 5th string 2nd fret. So going like that, then play our 4th string open, and then 4th string 2nd fret. So 5th string, hammer on, 4th string, 4th string 2nd fret. Okay, let's try it from the top. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. And then we go into the harmonica part. While the harmonica is playing, there's a chord progression happening 3 times in the background. The chords are E minor, which we've been through. Then we go to a C chord. For a C chord, you strum from your 5th string down to the D chord, which we've been through, and a G chord, which are, you strum all the strings for the G chord. Now, our strumming pattern for this part is going to be down, down. When I say down for there, you just kind of want to play your bass notes. So down, down, then a full out down that's accented. Down, up, down, up. So you're going to go down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Except it's much faster. So if we're going 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and down, 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 down. Just like that. Okay, let's try it with the chords. We'll play it, take it a bit slower than what I just did right there. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. To your E minor 7. And that is the intro right there. Then we get into the verses. And lucky for us, the verses are exactly the same as the harmonica part. So let's play it. Ready? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. D, I wanna get. The verse right there, and then this next part I will call the chorus. I wasn't quite sure where it ended and where it started, but this seems like a good spot. So now we are at the chorus. For the chorus, we have an E minor chord, which we've been through, a G, a C, and then we do this little rundown of chords where we go from a C to a B minor. Now, to play B minor, you bar your second fret, and then this over here is like an A minor, and then we go straight to an A minor chord, and then to a G. So let's go through this starting at that keeps me searching for a heart of gold. So on this E minor, we're going to play down strums. So we're going to go 2 and 3 and 4 and that keeps me searching for. Then we go to a G chord, and a G chord strumming pattern will start out the same as our verses. So we're going to go down, 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 and then we just keep going down, up, down, and up there. So you're going to go down, 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 like that. So if we take it from that keeps me searching, 2, 3 on your E minor, that keeps me searching for, like that. Then we get to C. We're going to play 2 C's, mute it, then another down, and then down, up, down, up. So we're going like that. So let's put that together. 1, 2, 3 minor. That keeps me searching for down, down, down. And then we have this C going to B minor. Now the easiest way to get from B minor to A minor is to take this finger off and slide down to here, and then to the G. That's going to take some practice. So we start on a C, going to B minor, slide, G, and just keep doing that over and over again until it gets nice and fast. And then we're back to our E minor, down strums, back into the harmonica part, which takes us right back into the second verse, and that is how you play Heart of Gold. 1, 2, 3, 4.